Okay, back to these upper idler wheels that were seized onto the shafts. I ended up using release all on here, and I did everything without trying to destroy the wheel. But what was most effective here was prying up on that black plastic deflector on the back of the wheel, and actually putting a small chisel straight and prying up and just beating on it with a hammer. And it took about 3 or 4 good shots on the edge of the shaft and the bearing, and it did release, and off it came. So I saved myself my wheels. The plastics aren't too bad either. Here's the other one. For the cost of them, I may replace them. Anyways, we're going to make sure we've got some never season grease on those wheels before we put them on.